Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you best 110V inverter welding machine. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The XCORT portable handheld arc welder kit is a powerful and compact solution for welding enthusiasts and professionals alike. Featuring a 110V inverter, this plug-powered machine ensures stable and efficient performance, making it perfect for various welding tasks. Its copper-colored electrode holder is designed for durability and optimal conductivity, supporting 332 to 1/8 wire rods with precision. The lightweight and ergonomic gun-style design enhances maneuverability, while the included carrying case adds convenience for transport and storage. Built for reliability, this welder operates seamlessly without the need for batteries, making it an ideal choice for home repairs, DIY projects, and light industrial applications. Durable, portable, and efficient, XCORT delivers welding power at your fingertips.